All right. Today I'm going to read an article about a famous basketball player that you may have heard of, interviewing a very important doctor who has a big part in the coronavirus treatment. All right. It's called Curry and Fossey Chat on Instagram as Thousands Watch, including Obama. And here's Curry and here's Fossey. Three-time National Basketball Association champion Stephen Curry has some free time. Basketball games have been canceled, so on March 26th, Curry performed a little citizen journalism. He interviewed Anthony Fauci on Instagram Live. Fauci runs the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. The government agency studies and tries to stop the spread of diseases. About 50,000 viewers tuned in. One was former President Barack Obama. Like many now working from home, Curry had a few technical difficulties with the video chat at first. He and Fauci joked about the basketball hoop in Fauci's office. Then Curry slid into interview mode. The pair covered many questions about the new coronavirus. For example, they discussed how the virus is different from the flu. They also talked about when large gatherings will be able to happen again. The coronavirus is a new flu-like illness. It can cause a cough or fever. Most cases recover. For the elderly or those with existing health conditions, contracting the virus can be especially dangerous. People should take social distancing seriously. Fauci talked about why young people need to practice social distancing. They need to stay apart even if they feel healthy. Curry explained why he wanted to speak with the 79-year-old expert. Fauci is one of the people leading the Trump administration's response to the coronavirus outbreak. He regularly appears at White House meetings with the press and has also been doing additional interviews. Curry wanted their conversation to reach different groups of people and give them important coronavirus information. You see all the different visuals of people at the beach and parks, crazy public gatherings, he explained. He pointed out how people are not taking social distancing seriously. Much of the conversation was about why social distancing and shelter-in-place measures are important. Social distancing is a set of guidelines that limit people's contact with one another. Many people are working from home, and schools across the country have been closed. These measures can help slow the spread of the coronavirus. If the number of coronavirus cases rise too quickly, hospitals will not be able to help everyone. Curry asked Fauci about the risk of lifting such measures too early. Ending the rules would allow businesses to reopen. Even if you lessen those restrictions, everybody until this is over should practice some degree of physical distancing and care, Fauci said. No big crowds, wash your hands a lot, be careful. You can do that and still get back to a somewhat normal life. We are not overreacting. Curry countered, we're not overreacting, right? You're absolutely right, Fauci said. We need to make that point. This is serious business. We are not overreacting. The chat will be available on Curry's Instagram page for viewing. Fauci ended the conversation with a plea to the country. We modified our lives. It's not convenient to lock yourself in. It's not convenient to not do the kinds of things. It's not convenient for you not to be playing basketball, Fauci said. But we're going through a period of time now where we've got to, as a country, pull together. Don't get frightened. Don't get intimidated. Use the energy to be able to confront it and do the kinds of things that'll put an end to it. I want to get rid of the misconception that there's extremes. Either the world is going to end or we don't do anything. It isn't that. It's somewhere in the middle.